Jenny Lind, Miss Eudora Lindstrom.
On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me two turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me three branches, two doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me four calling birds, three pigeons, two turtles, and a partridge in a pear tree. On the fifth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me five golden rings, four calling birds, three pigeons, two turtles, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Enchanting Eudora. Join with us now as the Singing Richmond family and the entire Playhouse Company welcome Christmas 1905.